In Young's double slit experiment, the intensity at a point where path difference is lambda by 4. We want to find out intensity at a point where path difference is equal to how much? Lambda by 4 is I. So, intensity at that point is I, where path difference is what? Lambda by 4. If the maximum intensity is I0, I0 represent what? Maximum intensity. If I0 is the maximum intensity, then we have to find the ratio of what? Maximum intensity to that of intensity of light at that point. Intensity of light at that point. See here, path difference. What is the path difference given? Path difference between the light waves arriving at a point is lambda by 4. So, path difference of lambda by 4, it corresponds to what? It means the phase difference between the light waves arriving at that point, it is 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 4. If path difference is lambda by 4, then what is the phase difference between the light waves arriving at that point? It is 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 4. So, this lambda get cancelled with lambda. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, that is equal to pi by 2. That is equal to what? Pi by 2 means phi is equal to, phase difference phi is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, phi by 2 is equal to pi divided by 4. And intensity, if I is the intensity at that point, I is, or the resultant intensity at a given point, the resultant intensity at a point where the two light waves arriving, they are having path difference of lambda by 4, I is equal to resultant intensity, I is equal to 4 times resultant intensity, I is equal to what? 4 times I dash, I is equal to resultant intensity, I is equal to 4 times I dash into cos square phi by 2, cos square phi by 2, or it is equal to I is equal to 4 I dash into cos square of, what is phi by 2 is? Pi by 4. But pi by 4 means it is 180 divided by 4, that is equal to 45. And what is the cos of 45? Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So, I is equal to 4 I dash into 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square. So, I is equal to 4 I dash into 1 by 2, because square of 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2, is 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 I dash, 2 I dash. Now, we want to find out the ratio of I0 upon I. Here I0, maximum intensity, maximum intensity. What is maximum intensity? Maximum intensity I0 is equal to 4 times of I dash. Therefore, I0 upon I is equal to, here I0 is 4 I dash, and what is I equal to? 2 I dash. So, 4 I dash upon 2 I dash, that is equal to, I dash get cancelled with I dash, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is equal to 2, means the ratio of maximum intensity to the intensity at a given point is 2, is equal to what? 2. So, 2:1, which is equal to 2:1. So, which option is correct? Option A, 2:1 is the correct option for this question.